the baby bear and the golden dust, deep in the heart of the forest. Tanko and Tina stumbled upon a bear cub, but not just any bear cub. This baby bear coughs golden dust. Yes, real sparkling gold. Now danger is near. A greedy villain is on the hunt. Can Tanko and Tina protect the magical cub before it's too late? This is no ordinary story. It's a golden adventure you'll never forget. The Baby Bear and the Golden Dust drops this Saturday at 10 a.m. Don't miss it. It's golden, it's wild, it's unbelievable.